Hello everybody. I forgot to record a intro for this video. That's why I'm doing it now, and that's why it's like darker out, because it's later in the day. But I hope you enjoy this video, and like the footage I'm about to show you of me and my buddies Rick and Jake's. We're fishing on the river today using my baits, so I hope you enjoy that, and thank you for watching. Hold on, I gotta get closer. Do it again. Jake's, do the intro.
Welcome to Bison Baits here. You know, we out here in Paris. Looking
you can't say that. Keep going.
Old stomping grounds, you know.
Old stomping ground, right?
Paris, you know, about to hop in, do a quick little bit of bass fishing, and yeah, about to get to it. Let's fucking go.
Right on, okay. Yeah. Got one. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, I can't swear on this no more. He's fighting good, he's fighting good. Smallie, I'm pretty sure. No, I got it, it's right here. Bison bait. Probably about a pound, maybe. Pound. Maybe a pound. He fought really hard though. You want to keep him? You want to keep him?
Yeah, I got this.
Alright. Okay. Bucky's fat, eh?
That might be a female egg, then.
You're gonna keep it still? Okay, let me get a pic with it though. Oh yeah, look at that belly on it.
Eggs, eh?
Yeah. Okay, good one. Thank you. Let her go, let her go. Try to get this on camera here. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. Bison baits. Yeah. Looking right. Louis guy, yep. Let's look. Throw the camera. Little Smallie. Quick release. Rick is on the board. Again. Rock bass. Oh. See. See. Yeah. Little RB. Rick Smith with an RB. Yeah. Little guy. But we're on. Watch there be another RB. Yep. Feel the head shakes. It's small though, I know it. I called that. I was like, look at it, it's gonna be a rock bass. He called it. On a bison bait. A little doink. Rick's fifth.
I just whipped in it.
Let us know what happened today.
So came out looking to do a little bit of bassing. Shouldn't turn out too right. So you know, I just fuck it. You know, I'm a walleye fisherman. That's all I know.
There, we had it first from fucking Jake's. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one, but it's all fishing instead of, you know, adding bait making in there. But yeah, let me know if that's what you want to see, more fishing or more bait making. Like either way, like I'll throw it in there. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching. Appreciate it.